Hi Melon Scouts, I hope all of you are good. So today we'll do a little origami class. RK, I know that's quite a confusing word, but let me show you how we can create wonderful things by just using basic supplies. In today's video, we're going to be making a DIY origami shirt with a hidden message. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, Melon Scouts, if you find anything difficult, make sure to never give up and pause the video to take your time. Start by folding an A4 size paper in half and then in half again until we've got 4 pieces. Then cut them. Make sure to use scissors carefully or ask an adult to help you. How are we doing Scouties? Pause the video and re-watch it if you don't understand anything. Over here, we're making the shirt, just like in the picture displayed. Would you look at that, Scouties? We just made a beautiful shirt, but hang in there, we're not done yet. Yes, we're done with the tie too. Also make sure to write your hidden message. Wowties, clap for yourselves. Well done, all of you did wonderful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so we can continue to post more content like this. Bye.